Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing that a single machine could change your financial story forever. Not a degree, not a job application, just one smart investment quietly printing money while you sleep. From machines that turn grass into cash, plastic into products, and even phones into profit, today I'm revealing 10 small but powerful machines you can use to start and run a highly successful business in 2026. These machines don't require massive capital, fancy offices, or connections, just vision, strategy, and action. If you're serious about building income streams that actually work in today's economy, this video could be the turning point. Let's dive in. 1. Lawnmower. A lawnmower is a practical and income-generating machine that plays a key role in landscaping and property maintenance businesses, especially as urbanization continues into 2026. It works by using a petrol or electric motor to rotate sharp blades that cut grass evenly, saving time and physical labor compared to manual methods. Modern lawnmowers come with adjustable cutting heights, fuel-efficient engines, and grass collectors, making them suitable for both small residential compounds and large commercial properties. The cost of purchasing a lawnmower ranges from about USD 150 for basic push models to over $3,000 for professional ride-on mowers. Income is generated by offering lawn maintenance services to homeowners, real estate developers, schools, hotels, churches, and office parks, charging per visit or through monthly service contracts. This business thrives in urban and peri-urban areas where property owners prefer outsourcing maintenance, making it ideal for youth entrepreneurs and landscaping startups. 2. Food packing machine. A food packing machine is an essential tool for transforming raw or prepared food into market-ready products that meet hygiene and safety standards. It works by sealing food items in plastic or laminated packaging, using heat or vacuum technology, which helps preserve freshness and extend shelf life. As consumer demand for packaged foods increases in 2026, this machine enables small businesses to compete with established brands. Entry-level food packing machines cost between USD $250 and $800, while semi-automatic or higher capacity machines can exceed $4,000. Income is generated by packaging cereals, spices, snacks, nuts, frozen foods, and ready-to-cook meals for sale in retail stores or online. This business is best suited for food processing areas, farms, and urban markets, serving food vendors, small manufacturers, and home-based food entrepreneurs. 3. Animal pellet maker. An animal pellet maker is a value addition machine that converts raw agricultural materials into compact, nutritious animal feed pellets. It works by grinding, mixing, and compressing materials such as maize husks, bran, grass, and oilseed residues into uniform pellets that improve feed efficiency and reduce wastage. This is particularly important in 2026 as farmers seek cost-effective feeding solutions. Small pellet machines suitable for startups cost between USD $600 and $1,800, depending on output capacity. Income is generated by selling feed pellets to poultry, dairy, pig, and fish farmers, or by using the pellets to reduce feed costs on one's own farm. This business is ideal for rural and peri-urban agricultural zones, targeting livestock farmers, cooperatives, and agribusiness suppliers. 4. Egg incubator. An egg incubator is a controlled poultry hatching system that allows farmers to produce chicks without relying on natural brooding. It works by maintaining precise temperature, humidity, ventilation, and egg-turning cycles required for successful embryo development. This technology allows year-round chick production and significantly improves hatch rates. Small egg incubators cost between USD $120 and $650, while large commercial incubators can cost several $1,000s. Income is generated by selling day-old chicks, raising poultry for meat and egg production, or offering incubation services to other farmers. This business is best suited for rural and peri-urban agricultural zones, serving small-scale farmers, agribusiness startups, and youth farming groups. 5. Food dehydrator. A food dehydrator is a preservation machine that removes moisture from food, extending shelf life while maintaining flavor and nutritional value. As demand for healthy, long-lasting snacks increases in 2026, dehydrated foods are becoming increasingly popular. Small food dehydrators cost between USD $80 and $400, while commercial units can exceed $2,000. Income is generated by producing dried fruit snacks, vegetable chips, herbs, spices, and meat jerky for retail or export. This business performs well in agricultural regions and urban health food markets, targeting farmers, retailers, and health-conscious consumers. 6. 3D printer machine. A 3D printer machine represents the future of small-scale manufacturing and customization in 2026. It works by converting digital designs into physical objects with melted plastic or resin deposited layer by layer with high precision. This technology allows entrepreneurs to produce custom items quickly with minimal material waste. Entry-level 3D printers suitable for small businesses cost between USD $200 and $1,500, depending on build size and print quality. Income is generated through services such as custom phone accessories, replacement parts, prototypes, educational models, and personalized gifts. This business is best suited for urban centers, innovation hubs, schools, and technical institutions, serving designers, engineers, startups, and students. 7. Drink ATM machine. A drink ATM machine is an automated beverage vending system designed for convenience and continuous operation. It works by allowing customers to select a drink and make digital payments, after which the machine dispenses the beverage instantly without human assistance. These machines can operate 24/7, reducing labor costs and increasing profit margins. Drink ATM machines typically cost between $1,000 and $4,000 depending on size and features. Income is generated through high-volume beverage sales in busy locations. The best places include bus terminals, campuses, hospitals, malls, factories, and event venues, targeting commuters, students, workers, and travelers. 8. Massage seats or massage chairs. Massage seats are automated wellness machines designed to provide relaxation and stress relief through mechanical massage techniques. They work using electric motors, rollers, vibration, and air pressure systems that target muscles in the back, neck, legs, and shoulders. With growing awareness of mental health and wellness in 2026, these machines are becoming increasingly profitable. Massage chairs suitable for business use cost between $600 and $2,500. Income is generated by charging customers per session, usually for 10 or 15 minutes, with minimal staffing or maintenance costs. Ideal locations include malls, airports, gyms, salons, hospitals, and office buildings, serving busy professionals and stressed customers. 9. Labeling machine. A labeling machine is an important branding tool that helps businesses present products professionally and consistently. It works by automatically applying adhesive labels to bottles, jars, cartons, or pouches with high accuracy. In 2026, branding and regulatory compliance are critical for product success, making this machine highly valuable. Small labeling machines cost between USD $500 and $2,000, depending on speed and automation level. Income is generated by offering labeling services to small manufacturers or using it internally to support food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, or beverage brands. This business is ideal for small factories, packaging hubs, and production spaces serving startups and growing brands. 10. Phone sterilization station. A phone sterilization station is a compact hygiene-focused machine that uses UVC light to eliminate germs, bacteria, and viruses from small personal items and mobile phones. Even in 2026, hygiene remains a major concern in public and professional spaces. These machines cost between USD $80 and $300, making them an affordable startup option. Income is generated by charging a small fee per sterilization or offering it as a value-added service in phone repair shops, salons, and offices. Ideal locations include hospitals, malls, schools, gyms, and business centers. And there you have it. 10 machines, 10 real opportunities, and endless ways to turn ideas into income in 2026. The truth is, success today isn't about waiting for permission or the perfect time. It's about spotting simple tools, using them smartly, and serving real needs in your community. You don't need to start big, you just need to start right. If one of these machines sparked an idea in your mind, that's not an accident. that's your sign. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical business and money ideas, and drop a comment telling me which machine you'd start with and why. Your next income stream might be closer than you think. Until next time, stay focused, stay hungry, and keep building.